guys, and welcome back again to another Tools and Gadgets, and today we're going to be teaching you how to mint or create your own non-fungible tokens, or the NFTs. So it's really a big hit these days, so we're going to be making one and selling it on Binance, or specifically the Featured by Binance. Okay, it's a new platform, decentralized platform by Binance. So head on to your Google Chrome browser and type on featured.market. That's all. You don't need to type a .com on the end, just featured.market. Head on go. You'll be greeted with this homepage. Click on this menu on the top bottom. So as you can see, I've already made my own profile. So in order to make your own profile or customize your profile, you just need to click that. At first, this will be your wallet address here, the one on the Trust Wallet. So once again, you need to have Trust Wallet on your phone. You get to need it to get installed on your phone first. Head on to profile. So as what you can see, I've already made a profile for my dog. Yeah. And I'm selling these already on the market. I have 3 for sale on the market. So if you want to do support, head on to feature.market and purchase my limited edition fancy NFTs. Okay, so this Featured by Binance is a decentralized one. The one on the Binance app or on the Binance website is the centralized one. So hopefully this will kickstart in the near future. You can already make your own tokens here. So what we need to do when you want to create, okay, so I'm going to show this to you live, step by step, what errors I'm gonna be encountering on making a new coin. So all of those. Okay, so once you're done with the profile, you go ahead and create. You can get a screen like this, create a new collection, or mint an NFT. So we're just gonna be minting an NFT. You can also create a new collection which consists of many NFT that you're gonna be placing in one collection, but we're just gonna be making just one for today. Okay, so you're gonna be, okay, I didn't ask for you.
Is there
Okay, so we're gonna be clicking this. Go to photo library. I think gonna be choosing this. You're just gonna wait for it to upload. Mind you guys, it will take a while. I don't know if it's just 200 kbps the size of the picture, but it will take a lot of time. So okay, so I already have the Fonzie 4, so for this tutorial I'll be making the Fonzie 5. Oops, sorry. Number 5. Okay, so for the description, I've already made a template for the description because I'll be making NFTs for my dog Fonzie, who just passed away last year. So when you'll be buying this, you'll be sure that there won't be any other pictures of him anymore in the near future. Just gonna add that again because it did not load on the first try. So yeah, this is what you're gonna be encountering when you will be doing your first NFT. Okay, so that was quick because when I tried to upload a few NFTs back, it will take a while to load the image, around 5 to 10 minutes. I need to wait. you need to wait, okay guys? Disclaimer, you need to wait for the picture to go to upload. When you can see the picture already, that's the only time that you're gonna be clicking the mint NFT, because if you won't be seeing the picture here, when you mint the NFT, you won't be seeing any pictures. Okay, so the description, externally, you can just leave it blank. Collection, there's no other thing, just a community collection. Royalty, so talking about royalty. Royalty is when you'll be able to sell the NFT, you'll get the full amount, okay? First sell. Then after that person is going to sell it to another person, you're gonna be getting 15% royalty for that sale. So again, when that person gets to sell it to another person again, you will still get the royalty 15%, so that is gonna be a lifetime royalty, okay? So the NFT type, gonna be choosing image. You can choose animated GIF, audio, video, or others. So just gonna be choosing image since we're uploading an image of Fonzie, our dog. So we're gonna be clicking art, collectible. Yes, it's a collectible. Photography, because it's a photo. Okay, so that's about it. Just make sure to double check everything before clicking mint NFT. So after this, it will take you to the Trust Wallet. Okay, you're gonna click on Open Trust Wallet. Now guys, this is the one that I'm talking about. Yeah, it pops out a notification that Wallet Connect session was disconnected. Go back to your browser and connect via Wallet Connect again. So you when you go back here and you just click again, it will just pop up again the disconnection notice. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to bypass this so that you won't get this problem. Okay, so just swipe back. Gonna be coming over here again. Just don't mind the loading screen. Click on the three buttons down below, settings, go on to privacy, clear browsing data, and just choose to clear the cookies and site data. Okay, just this one. Clear browsing data. Done. So it will take us to this again, which makes us to choose what wallet we're going to be using. So let's go ahead and click on Trust Wallet. So this is the one that's missing a while ago. It didn't show this option. So now, since we cleared the cookies and the app data, we are showing this. The website is showing this. So we're just going to go ahead and click Trust. So it will take us to Trust Wallet app, and feature by Binance wants to connect to your wallet. Connect, and we're online. Now you can go back to your browser. So we're just gonna head on back to our browser and create again. I mean, we're gonna redo everything again. We're gonna redo everything again since, that was a failure a while ago. Okay, so Fonzie number 5. Once again guys, if the loading screen when you upload the image takes a while, don't panic. Sometimes it will take around 5 to 10 minutes to show you the picture. Okay, so just gonna paste that, the description, external link, you can leave it blank, community collection, okay, royalties, I'm gonna set 15% again, NFT type, image, choose art, collectible, photography. Okay, so that's about it. We are ready to create or mint our own NFT, so hit mint. So it will take you again to the Trust Wallet. All you need to do is click open in Trust Wallet. So this will show, guys. See? So we're gonna be paying a fee of 48 cents. 48 cents. That is just to mint the NFT. To sell it is another, but it's around cheaper, around 20 something cents dollars. Okay, so it's 0.48 cents dollars. Click send. You can now go back to your browser. Oops. Okay, we're just gonna hit back. Smart contract call executed. Okay, so it's done. I'm just gonna click on the bottom of the picture. See, it's loading, but it will not take you anywhere, so you just need to swipe down and reload the page. Go to your My NFTs. Fancy number 1. See, I doubled the fancy number 2, but I'm not selling this. I'm only selling these. See, it's there. Fancy number 5. It's here. So it's already on my collection. So in order to sell these, just need to click on that. It will take a while, but just hold on. Since it's a newly minted NFT, it might take a while to load it. Okay, there you go. Created recently, 0 BNB. I own this NFT. So the descriptions here, as you can see, the creator. So once you'll be able to sell these guys, the creator will never change, but the owner, it keeps on changing. If somebody will sell it and somebody will buy it, the owner will change again. So yeah, so let's now place this on the market. Let's click on sell. So you'll be able to choose here a fixed price or an auction. So in fixed price, you're just gonna set how much you wanna sell it, like 1 BNB. That's for $285. And in auction, you can start the minimum bid for 1 BNB, expiration time the next 24 hours. On the auctions, guys, it's really nice if you're a renowned artist, because people will be able to bid and bid higher on your project. But for start, you can just head on to fixed price, because in auction, when this one expires, you need to sell it again. You need to place it again on the market, so you're going to be paying another fee again. Well, it's just a small fee, but it's just the same. So let's head on to fixed, so that I won't be having any problems later on about reposting and reselling it. So we're gonna place 0.3, so that's about $85. Okay, I'm happy with that. So let's click on list NFT for sale. It will head us again to the Trust Wallet. So right now we're gonna be paying $0.22 to be able to sell it on the marketplace. So that's very cheap. Okay, you can now go back to your browser. Please check your wallet to confirm the transaction. Listing NFT for 0.3 BNB smart contract call executed. So it's already executed, guys. So I'll just be waiting for it to be placed on the market. So once again, when you are able to do all this step, and you're just gonna be refreshing this. Let's go to my NFTs. 1, 2, 3. I don't have the 4. Wow. Oh shoot, I think I missed the 4. So here on the 5, so I'll be making number 4 later on. So here on the number 5, it's already here. It's already up for sale for 0.3 BNB or $85. I cannot purchase my own NFT, but I can cancel the sale if I want to jack up the price a little bit or lower the price down a little bit. But once again, you need to pay the fee again, the listing fee of around 0.22 to 24 cents. So that's about it. So I hope you guys purchase one of my NFTs. Yeah, I I think I miss a number 4 collection for Fonzie. So you need to have a trust wallet. So yeah, you can go ahead and cancel. Okay guys, just to be clear, for the first time who are using the trust wallet, if you'll be want to be making an NFT, you need to use a smart chain on the featured market, okay, by Binance. So if you have a Binance exchange account, you can have BNB transferred here, and once you get to transfer here on the BNB, you need to click on more, and you need to click swap to smart chain. Okay, so from BNB BEP2 to BEP20, the smart chain, because we'll be using the smart chain BNB. Okay, so that's about it. So when you get a sale, it will just flash here the amount that you sold the NFT for, and that's that. So I do hope you do enjoy these, guys. Support my channel, Tools and Gadgets. Next episode we'll be cleaning my mining rig. So yeah, I'll see you again in our next vlog. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below. See you again in the next vlog. Bye.